For anybody that doesn't know, our area of Ontario got rocked with a massive ice storm. Basically a state of emergency, and yeah, it just, as you can see, caused so much damage in the forest. Okay, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Breath of Adventure. We are on the bike. I know y'all Canadians and Southern Ontario folks know what it's like. It's been a pretty slow, drawn out spring here with, we get like a 20-degree day and then we get -10, -6, rain, junk, snow. So yeah, it is a fabulous day here now, today. So wanted to take you on the first ride of the season. Adventure. It is a beautiful sunny Saturday. Sorry, it is a beautiful sunny Sunday, and I just really needed to get out riding, so I put the bike back together. I've got a little issue with the carburetor. I had to dismantle it 3 times, and we've got a little tiny bit of a gas leak on the float bowl gasket, but hey, it's still running. It's all good. We filled up with gas, so it can leak a little bit, but we needed to enjoy this day. Just a little bit of a cruise. It's a beautiful day. Yee! It's a beautiful day. Still pretty wet and mucky. And yeah, unfortunately, snowmobile trails aren't technically open yet, not till May 1st, and I respect that. But I wanted to check out to see what the condition looks like in regards to the storm, the ice storm, and the trees that have come down. I don't know if I hit that bird or not, but I just kept going. It's best not to try to get too squirrely with things like that. It's a good way to go down. Oh yeah, we still have snow in the woods. That's why you gotta run the full knobbies, folks. No limitations. I don't want to get the bike too greased up though, to be honest. I bet you it was a disaster back here right after the storm. People have clearly been cleaning it out, but oh yeah, some big tree foliage. Woo! Yeah, if we go too much further, I may have to consider dropping some air pressure in the tires. Rabbit and then a fox. Cool. The hunt is on. That was pretty awesome. Whoa. Quite a bit of carnage back here, folks. What a shame. You know, shout out to the people that have been clearing this. That's a lot of work. A lot of work. Still a lot of water. Need to be very careful back here right now. Super slippery on this hard pack icy snow, and then it's super soft on the gravel, and then you've got all the fallen tree branches. It's definitely an obstacle course. Definitely need to pay attention. Don't want to be dilly-dallying back here right now. And for anybody that doesn't know, our area of Ontario got rocked with a massive ice storm. And you can watch my video about that right here. That was only about 2.5 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago at this point. Yeah, we were shut down. I was without power for 6 days. I know lots of people that were closer to 10, 11 days. Basically a state of emergency. And yeah, it just, as you can see, caused so much damage in the forest. Okay, so that's how far they've gotten. Shit, look at the mess back here. These kickstand support things are awesome. Look at that. Bam! Putting in work trying to clear this forest access road. Because I bet you what we just went through was like this the whole friggin' way. I don't think we're gonna get too much further, which is fine. Yeah, I was just wanting to scope out the condition of the road. And obviously it's still impassable. Oh wow, it's gonna be weeks of volunteer work trying to get access through here. What a mess. Just the whole way. The whole way down is totally friggin' mangled. Yeah, we're not gonna go any further. Well, we can't. Yeah, the bike is getting pretty nasty, but it's running good, minus the little bit of a gas leak. But what a mess back here. You know, nice just to come scope it out to see the damage. I've dealt with enough of it myself, and yeah, there's a lot of work that needs to be done up here to make it passable. It's gonna take some time for sure. I wouldn't mind coming up with a chainsaw and throw it on the bike and put in a couple hours to help out, because I'm sure they're looking for help or need some help. Nice first ride of the season. A little bit of a leaky carb, whatever. We filled up with gas, we're fine. But yeah, we're gonna get out of here nice and safe, get some dinner, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this one. Okay, quick little break here. What a mess up here. Here all the time. I'm a little bit crooked here. Gonna have to figure that out. I don't know what's up with that, but it's been a very beautiful first ride of the season here in Ontario. Definitely a lot different than riding in Costa Rica, that's for sure. Check out those videos here. That little Katana 200, I think it was, pretty awesome. I think the XRF 200, quite the powerful little bike, that's for sure. I wouldn't mind having one. But until then, we're gonna take this bush pig, carefully get ourselves out of the woods here. I didn't really expect there to be so much snow and ice. Oh, she's running good, folks. I'll leave the pants open for now. And yeah, just gonna take our time. It's very slippery. You know, it's funny, I said that I wouldn't do any winter riding, but here we are riding around on the snow. Oh geez, at least I'm having a good time. Part is it's like packed ice, so not too much traction. For setting out to just go for a leisurely ride, the maiden voyage of the season, we're on adventure for sure. We're definitely on adventure, but that's what we're all about here at Breath of Adventure. Problem is because it's so packed, like packed ice and snow is, well, you're not getting too much traction, but you just start going sideways. Kind of a first gear putt-putt kind of evening. I'm getting hungry. To hold a very straight line through that stuff. There's no turning. We've made it out of the forest.